MISPA English Medium School presents online classes. Standard 4 Math Magic Unit 1 Workbook Practice. Workbook page number 14. Solve the problems. One truck carries 2500 bricks and second truck carries 3500 bricks. How many total bricks are there in both the trucks? Bricks carried in truck 1 is equal to 2500. Bricks carried in truck 2 is equal to 3500. Total bricks is equal to 2500 plus 3500 is equal to 6000. Question number 2. There are 1500 bricks in one truck and 4500 bricks in another truck. What is the difference between the number of bricks? Bricks carried in truck 1 is equal to 1500. Bricks carried in truck 2 is equal to 4500. Difference of bricks, that is equal to 4500 minus 1500 is equal to 3000. Bricks carried in truck 1 is equal to 2000. Total bricks to be carried is equal to 6000. Number of trucks needed is equal to 6000 divided by 2000, that is equal to 3. Question number 4. If a truck can carry 4500 bricks, then how many such trucks are needed to carry 9000 bricks? Bricks carried in truck 1 is equal to 4500. Total bricks to be carried is equal to 9000. Number of trucks needed is equal to 9000 divided by 4500, that is equal to 2. Question number 5. If 3 similar trucks carries 12,000 bricks, then how many bricks are there in one truck? Number of trucks is equal to 3. Total bricks carried is equal to 12,000. Answer: bricks in one truck, that is equal to 12,000 divided by 3 is equal to 4,000. So the answer is 4,000. Question number 6. If 4 similar trucks carry 10,000 bricks, then how many bricks are there in one truck? Number of trucks is equal to 4. Total bricks carried is equal to 10,000. Bricks in one truck, that is equal to 10,000 divided by 4 is equal to 2500. So the answer is 2500. Workbook page number 19. 9. Answer the following questions based on the details given below. Details are given here. Old bricks, rupees 1200 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Indapur, rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Brickabad, rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. Question number 1. If Shailesh Bhai wants to buy 500 new bricks from Intapur, then how much should he pay? Cost of 1000 new bricks from Intapur is equal to rupees 1800. Number of bricks Shailesh Bhai wants to buy is equal to 500. The answer is cost of 500 bricks is equal to 1800 divided by 2, that is equal to 900. Question number 2. If Jatin Bhai wants to buy 2000 roll bricks, then how much should he pay? Cost of 1000 roll bricks is equal to rupees 1200. Number of bricks Jatin Bhai wants to buy is equal to 2000. Cost of 2000 bricks is equal to 1200 into 2 is equal to 2400. Question number 3. If Rajani Bhai wants to buy 3000 new bricks from Brickabad, then how much should he pay? Cost of 1000 new bricks from Brickabad is equal to rupees 2000. Number of bricks Shailesh Bhai wants to buy is equal to 500. Cost of 3000 bricks, that is equal to 2000 into 3 is equal to 6000. The answer is 6000.